guys, welcome to Carbeli. We're so excited that you're here. Today we have Karsten, say hi.
Hi.
And Bella, say hi.
Right?
Yep, that's not right. Say hi, Bella.
Hi.
And today we're going to learn about animals. Not only animals, but these are magnetic animals. You see the little metal piece right there? It's called a magnet and it sticks to other metals. So these stick together like that. It's super neat. Anyway, be sure to like our video, subscribe to our page, and watch to the end because we always have really funny bloopers. Okay, let's get to it. You go ahead and go first, pal.
Wow!
And what is that?
Elephant.
And what kind of noise does it make again? That's perfect! Great job. Okay, Bella, your turn. What is that, Bella? Horsey. What kind of noise does a horsey make? Perfect. Okay, my turn. Okay, we got this, and then we put his feet there, and then we put his feet there, and then we put this head here. Is that right? No, that's not right. Is that right? No. Okay, this is a horsey head. That's so silly. Horsey head, and then what is this?
Sheep.
A sheep. What kind of noise does the sheep make? That's the elephant, silly. What does the sheep make? Ah! What does the sheep make? Bah! Good job! Ah! 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 Karsten, what do you have next? Here, put it together. How does a giraffe go together? What is that?
Giraffe.
What kind of noise does a giraffe make? Watch this video. We'll do a giraffe noise, okay?
Wow!
Is it my turn?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put his legs on, okay?
Yeah, okay.
And let's see. So does it go like this? No. Okay. Does it go like this?
Yeah.
Look.
No.
No. Is that right, Bella?
No.
No. Okay, let's turn his head around. Silly. Ready? How about that? Oh, his leg's falling. What is that? Do you know what kind of noise an alligator makes?
Chomp, chomp.
Chomp, chomp, chomp. Bella, do you know what kind of noise an alligator makes? Chomp, chomp, chomp. All right, Karsten, what's next, pal?
Cow.
Cow. How does a cow go? That's not right. B, is that right?
No.
That's not right.
Awesome.
There you go. What kind of sound does a cow make? Okay, what is this one?
I want to show Daddy.
Okay, show me out. Okay, show me out. Let's move the tiger. Show me out.
No, that's not the tiger.
Oh, yep, I'm silly. That's a cow. That's a tiger. Sorry. Is that right? Look at the way his feet are pointing. Look at the way his feet are pointing. I don't think that's right, is it? We'll fix it.
Yay!
Good job! What kind of noise does a tiger make? today we learned about different animals. We also learned about magnets and how they stick together. And wait, something's not right there. Is that, can you fix our Mr. Horse? Okay. And then, oh, can you fix the giraffe? Mr. Giraffe? It's on wrong, I know. Is that right?
No.
Is that right? No, that's not right. Okay, turn it around. There we go. All right, we had so much fun learning with you today. We learned about animals and magnets. We had so much fun. Be sure to like our video and subscribe to our channel. And be sure to watch every video to the very end because we always have really funny bloopers for you.
Hey guys, if you want to watch my videos and if you want to come back here, and then you can.
Yeah, and say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, girl.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Look at my new hat. Okay. Ready? You want to go? Yep. Are we live?
No.
That's really funny looking. Look at this. That's funny. Okay. So does it go like this? No. Okay.
Love the one of you. Mr. Like our page and subscribe our video.
Great job. Hi guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Be sure to watch to the end of the video. We have some funny bloopers coming up. We really enjoyed learning with you. We learned a little bit about magnets and a lot more about animals.
Well, next time, bye.
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 Hi everyone. I was just playing with my sandbox and my sand toys. Look at this. This is really neat. Watch. You put sand in the top and then it fills the bucket and turns the wheel and then it turns the second wheel. It's really, really neat. Welcome back to Carbeli. It's so good to see you guys. I'm so excited that you're here. I'm always excited that you're here. I'm especially excited today because I need your help with something. And be sure to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and be sure to watch the video to the very end because we always have really funny bloopers at the end. So today, I lost 10 animal toys in my sandbox. Do you think you guys can help me find them? Yeah? Let's get to it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna find our animals in the sand, and then the sand is kind of dirty, so the animals will be dirty. So we're gonna wash them off in our bucket, and then we'll put them in our toy box. Okay? All right, let's get started. I'll grab my tools here, and let's see if we can find one. Is he over here? Oh, there's something. Oh, here's our first one. This is an elephant. Do you guys know that an elephant is the biggest land animal? You guys know that the elephant has a really, really big trunk? They call that a trunk, it's his nose, but they call it a trunk. And look, he's got 1 tusk, 2 tusks. That's what those are called, tusks, right there. Do you guys know what kind of sound an elephant makes? You do? Watch this. Okay, this time let's use the blue shovel. And we'll find our second animal. Look, it's a zebra. Did you know that zebras have black and white stripes? They have a mane right here. This is called a mane. It's in the back of their neck right there. And they eat grass. And you know what? Zebras can sleep standing up. And they kind of look like a horse. Do you know what kind of sound a zebra makes? All right, let's find our next one. For this one, let's use the yellow shovel. Oh, look, it's a giraffe. Giraffes are always kind of a tan color with brown spots. And did you know that the giraffe's neck is as long as his legs? That's kind of silly, isn't it? They also have really, really long tongues, and they eat leaves off of trees. Okay, we found 3 so far. Let's find our 4th animal. We'll use the orange rake for this one. What is this? Oh, this is a horse. You notice that the horse also has a mane like the zebra, and they kind of look like a zebra, don't they? They're about the same size, and this is a brown horse, but horses are different colors. Do you know that horses eat grass and they can also sleep standing up? All right, let's try to find another one, okay? We'll use our yellow shovel with a green handle. Ooh, look, a rhinoceros. Do you know that a rhinoceros has really tough skin? And he's got a big horn right there. This one has 2 horns. Some of them have 2 horns, some of them have 1 horn. This one has 2 horns. And they're really tough, and they're really heavy. And they're gray. This time, let's use our red turtle scoop to scoop out sand around so we can find our next animal. Like this. Oh look, it's a moose. You see the moose has really big antlers? Look how big the antlers are on this moose. They're usually brown in color and they have really long legs like this, and they also eat grass off the ground. Sometimes they have leaves from trees if they can reach them. All right, let's go try to find our 7th animal, and this time let's use our little blue castle scoop. Just kind of like a castle. And then we scoop like this. Okay, let's find them. Oh look, it's a hippopotamus. You'll notice the hippopotamus has pretty big teeth right there. He's kind of a brown color and he loves to sit in the water. You see his little ears and his eyes and his nose on the top of his head right there? So what he's able to do is he can go almost all the way underwater to cool his body off, but he can still hear and see and smell because his nose, ears, and eyes are still above water. Isn't that neat? Okay, we have 3 more animals to find, okay? Let's use our little yellow scoop, okay? Oh, look, it's a lion. Do you know that a lion has a big mane like that? Do you know that only a boy lion has a mane? A girl lion doesn't have a mane like this. And they run really fast, and they're usually kind of a brownish color like that, but they're really cool, and they roar really loud. I bet you can do a lion roar, can't you? Okay, we only have 2 more to find. Let's use our blue shovel this time, okay? Oh look, it's a gorilla. Gorillas are really strong. They have a lot of muscles, and they're usually kind of black colored, sometimes brown, kind of black colored. And whenever a gorilla feels threatened, that means when they're scared, they pound their chest like this. And they make a really funny noise. It's kind of scary. Okay, we have 1 more left. Can you help me find it? Let's use our orange rake to try to find it. Oh, look, it's a tiger. Do you know that tigers have stripes? They usually, not always, but they usually have brown and black stripes. They can run really fast, and they have really big teeth. Okay, we found all 10 animals, but you know what? They're really dirty. So you want to help me give them a bath before we put them up? Okay, let's do it. Here's our moose. A rhinoceros. A lion. An elephant. A zebra. A tiger. A giraffe. A hippopotamus or hippo, a gorilla, and a horse. Thank you guys so much for your help today. We found our animals that were lost in the sand. We gave them baths and then we put them back in the toy box. I could not have done this without you. Thank you so much. I love learning with you. And be sure to like our video and subscribe to our channel and watch the end. We have some bloopers coming up, okay? See you in the next video. Bye. Can you help me? Yeah? Okay. Karsten, can you help me?
No.
Okay.
You can do it. Over.
Karsten, can you help me?
Yeah.
Bella, can you help me?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Remember, always stay watching the video. Remember, always. And this is a brown zebra for editing, okay?
Yeah, and then also, if you want to watch more videos, and subscribe.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Carbeli. We're so excited that you're here. This is Zoe. Zoe is 3 years old and she's a miniature schnauzer. She's a good puppy. Hi Zoe. But today we want to learn about animals and the noises they make. Be sure to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and always watch to the very end because we have really funny bloopers. All right, let's get to it.
Panda bear. Panda bear. Black bear. Black bear. Grizzly bear. Grizzly bear. Polar bear. Polar bear. Elephant. Elephant. Giraffe. Giraffe. Zebra. Zebra.
Are you guys having so much fun learning about animals and the noises they make? Are you having so much fun, Zoe? Okay, we'll let Zoe go. We'll do a video about Zoe later, okay? Do you guys want to do some more animals? Let's do it.
Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Dog. Dog. Cat. Cat. Horse. Horse. Cow. Cow. Sheep. Sheep. Alligator. alligator, tiger, tiger, lion, lion, moose, moose, gorilla, gorilla, pig, pig, duck, duck, donkey, donkey, rabbit, rabbit, llama, llama, rooster, rooster, chicken, chicken, goat, goat,
Having so much fun, guys. Let's learn about some sea animals.
dolphin, dolphin, sea turtle, sea turtle, octopus, octopus, jellyfish, jellyfish, shark, shark, starfish, starfish, crab, crab, walrus, walrus.
Well, that's all for today. I had so much fun learning about different animals with you and animal noises. Be sure to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye! Did you You guys want to learn about more? Okay, let's go. Are you guys having so much fun learning about animals and all the noises they make? Are you having fun, Zoe? Okay, we'll let go, Zoe. Okay, we'll let Zoe go. We'll do a video about Zoe later, okay? Do you guys want to do some more animals? Let's do it.